JR Roads. It looks like an airplane inside. I have no idea how fast this thing goes.
That's about.
Oh, you're doing your own intro?
I think it was like.
Yeah, I see you on my camera.
I think it was like 200.
200 miles per hour? I don't know. It looks pretty freaking fast right now.
That's like 200.
I know we get there in 2 hours. And it's like a distance from like Miami to like Tampa.
Yeah. It's like 200 miles.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's like 200 miles an hour. I was watching a Discovery Channel. And it can go faster than that, but depending on what kind of track you're on.
It's Japan. That's actually Kyoto, Japan. That's a nice view actually.
It is.